Hello students, how are you all? Are you all good? Yes. So student, now we are going to start our class. Okay. Are you all interested? Yes. So you must be enthusiastic about studying the things. So let's start our today's class. Okay. So student, observe this combination of battery and tell me what you can say, how they are connected with each other. I will give you 30 seconds. Okay. Okay, so student, see here, I have brought something for you. Can you see this? This is a remote. Okay, and you can see the combination of battery in this remote. So you can see that one battery is placed parallel to the another battery. Okay, so this one is known as only cell. It is not known as battery. Okay, so combination of cells are known as battery. So the cells are actually placed parallelly to each other. Okay, so here it is parallel combination. Okay, so students see, in this mouse there is only one battery used. Okay, one cell is used, so this is a cell. Here in this mouse there is no use of battery. So any electrical appliances may use a single cell or a group of cells to perform its activity. Okay, so student, in the first image, can you tell me where you can find this type of combination of battery? Yes, who will tell me? Yes, of course. In the torch you can see this type of combination. Okay, but this type of combination like parallel one can be seen in the remote. Okay, so dear student, when we call a battery, when there will be a combination of cells. Okay, so combination of cells means more than one cell will make a battery. Now we are talking about battery. Okay, now this battery can be arranged in two manner. The first one will be series arrangement and the second one is parallel arrangement. Okay, so you have to tell me how it is combined. The plus and minus are attached with each other. Can you see here? The plus and minus are attached with each other. Okay, so let it be sure that if we connect plus with plus or minus with minus, then the appliances will not work. So it is very essential that plus should be attached with minus terminal of the battery. So student, for this purpose, I have one doll with you. Okay, you can see this doll. Okay, and this will work or it will sing a song. Let's see. Can you see? Yes, student. So basically, there is the combination present in this. We are not going to see the combination in this toy. Okay, so see here, student. So after observing this doll, what you can say about the combination of battery here? Yes, is it in parallel or series? Of course, in series, in parallel, because one cell is parallelly attached with another cell. And we have also discussed that the one terminal, that is one positive terminal, is attached with the negative terminal of another cell by any coil. Okay, so see, we will see the coil over here. Can you see this? Okay, now what I am going to do, I am going to reverse this situation. Okay, now I am putting in a reverse manner. See, now I am playing this. See, it is not working at all. Why it is so? Because I made the plus terminal and minus terminal opposite to each other. Okay, so you can also do this activity at your home. So it is very essential that the positive terminal should be attached with negative terminal and the negative terminal should be attached with positive terminal. Now I am going to again put it in the right manner. See. Okay. So in this way, you can also do this activity at your home to see the combination of battery in different appliances. Okay. So moving further, students. Yes. So we have studied about the series combination. Okay. So what is happening in the series combination? As we can see in this torch, that the plus sign, the plus terminal of the battery is attached with the minus terminal of the battery, and so this bulb is glowing. Okay, now at your home, this is your homework also, you have to reverse this situation. Okay, now what you will do, you will put both plus and plus sign together, and then you will see is it working or not. Okay, so this is a series combination. So a battery can be defined as the group of cells joined together in the series. Example, in the torch, the cells are placed one after the other. Okay, now see this is a parallel combination. Okay, so we have also seen in the this remote battery remote also. You can see this remote here. What is happening, one cell is actually placed parallel to another cell. Okay, and this combination is known as parallel combination of battery. Clear? Okay. So see here, in many devices cells are not placed one after the another. In the example, in the TV remote, two cells are placed side by side, so they are known as parallel combination. So two or more cells connected by side manner are said to be joined in parallel, and this combination is called as parallel combination. Okay, and of course it is also known as battery because more than one cell is used here. Now tell me, students, what will happen if the same terminal is attached to each other? In the image given below, we can see that the plus terminal is attached with plus terminal. Okay, now tell me, will this battery or will this bulb will glow or not? We have studied or we have discussed right now only that if the two terminals are attached with each other, okay, then be sure that this bulb will not glow at all. Bulb will not glow. Okay. So student, if we combine two cells by keeping the positive terminal of one cell in contact with the positive terminal of other cell, or negative terminal of other cell in the contact with the negative terminal of other cell, then battery will not work at all. So if we talk about the symbol, if we place like this, okay, then it will not work. Or if we think that we are going to attach positive with positive and negative with negative, then also it will not work. Now, can the battery be recharged? So do you think this type of battery that is present in the remote or any electrical devices, do you think they are rechargeable? Can we recharge them? Yes. Or have you seen your battery that on which inverter is working? So which type of battery can be recharged? So we know all that all type of battery cannot be recharged at all. Okay, like in the mobile also we recharge. So there is some other type of chemical used in that. Okay, so in the batteries which are present in our home or present in the buses or trucks, there we can say that the batteries are usually can be recharged. Okay, so we also know that we put some water in it from buying from the shop, and then the level becomes higher. Okay, so these all things are there, electrolyte are given, and in this way the battery can be recharged. So battery which are used in cars, buses, trucks, inverters, etc. are also made of cells. There is a special feature of car battery is that its cells can be recharged. Ordinary cells cannot be recharged. So it is obvious that the batteries which are used in cars, buses, trucks, they can be recharged, but the cells or battery that is used in smaller appliances, they cannot be recharged. Now you have to tell me the torch will glow if we combine the positive terminal of the two cell. True or false? So you have to answer this question. If the torch and both the positive and positive terminal are combined, will it glow? Is it true or false? It is false. Okay. So moving forward. Now you can see this image and you can see the different appliances over here. Okay. And what makes them to glow and what are the material inside it, you have to observe in this image. Okay, and tell me about this. I am giving you 30 seconds. Okay student, so you can see that in this bulb there is one coil. In this heater also there is a coil which is glowing, and in this iron also there is a coil. Okay, and these coil are also known as element. Okay, these coil are known as elements. So what is an element? All electrical heating devices consist of coil of a wire called an element. Clear? And what happens is that when we switch on, then the element become red hot, and it releases the heat. Some of the examples are heater, hot plates, iron, geyser, electric kettle, hair dryers. These are the examples of coil that are present in the electrical devices. Now tell me, what will happen if the element will break? The element that is present either in the bulb or in the heater or in the iron, if it will break, then what will happen? Will it glow? Of course not, it will not glow. It will not glow. Now you have to answer this question. For that I am giving you 30 seconds again. The electrical heating devices consist of a coil of a wire called a compound. Is it true or false? Yes, you have to think about it. We have discussed now only. Yes. So it is false. All electrical heating device consisting of coil of wire is known as elements. So moving further. Okay, now see this. This is a room heater that we use in our winter days, and they are glowing. Yes, they are glowing red hot. So why actually they are glowing? Why it is so? What can be the reason behind it? Have you ever thought that other appliances are not glowing even though they have the coil, but these appliances are glowing? What can be the reason behind it that the room heater is glowing? Yes, you have to think again and again, put pressure. Okay. So student, basically what is happening here, that in a electric circuit, you can see this circuit is there and this is a coil. Okay. So the term used over here is resistance. Okay. So now let's see the electron and proton inside the wire. Okay. Now we know that the current is formed due to the flow of electron. So when the electron flows, the current is developed. Okay. But you know that when there is a negative ion, there will be positive ion too. Yes or no? Okay. So what happens is that while moving the electron, they usually come across different type of positive electron, positive protons. Okay, and they stop the movement of electron. They stops the movement of electron. Who stops? It is the positive ion. So again they have to start from beginning, again they have to start to move. So this, the stopping movement that is done by the positive ion, that is known as resistance create. Resistance means rukawat. I don't want to go to this place, so your parents are obstructing you. So that is resistance. Okay, and when there is resistance, what happens? There is development of heat. Yes or no? So this heat or this red hot heat that you are seeing in the room heater, it is due to the resistance offered by the wire. Okay, so if there is more resistance, then more temperature or more heat can be released through this coil. So production of heat in an electric device due to the flow of electric current is called heating effect of electric current. Uses cooking, an electric bulb or room heater. Okay. So now see, we have discussed about the resistance, that electrons are moving, but something is there in the wire, that is plus charge, that is stopping these electrons to move. Okay. So if there is more amount of plus charge, there will be more resistance. We can also increase the resistance by different ways. So okay, so if we are making more number of coils, then also there will be more resistance. So this resistance, because we are stopping the electron to move forward, okay, so there is production of heat. So that is the reason why this electric heater glows. Okay. Now see, the degree to which the material opposes the passage of current through itself is known as its resistance. Actually, when an electric current passes through the high resistance wire, then the electric energy gets converted into heat energy, and this heat energy gets the wire up. So you have understood this, students? Okay. What is the heating effect of electric current? So we can say that the heating effect of electric current is due to the resistance offered by the wire. It is due to the resistance offered by the wire. Okay. Now we are going to recapitulate the things whatever we have studied. So today we have studied about the different, where it is, combination of cells, heating effect of cells. So to complete a circuit, the positive terminal must be added to negative terminal. Heating effect is seen due to the flow of current. Or we can, coil of wire present in the electric appliances is called as element. Okay. So now these are your two homeworks. You have to make a chart to show different heating effect of coil, and then you have to draw a combination of battery, that is series and parallel. And one more activity you can also perform, that you may reverse the terminal of the battery to see whether the appliances is working or not. Okay. Is it clear to everyone? Yes or no? Yes. So student, we will meet in next class. Till then, be happy, be safe. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.